y'all, it's a girl Alita back again with another video. We're gonna be doing a wig installation, okay? I'm running out of products right now, so I don't know what in the world would I put a group over a second cap, but your girl she gotta do what she gotta do, okay? I'm running out of products. I don't have a gotta be spray, and I'm using exactly what I have to work with, and I can't even find any of my products because I'm moving in a week. So I'm very unorganized. All my stuff is packed up, so I'm just using what is left out. Now big ass scissor, that's what I'm gonna be using today. Don't ask me why, just go with the flow, okay? Go with the flow. We're gonna be cutting all the SS fabric from the second cap. We're gonna be doing what we're gonna do, and we're gonna just do the best we can right now, okay? So that's what we're doing. We're gonna cut it out. We're gonna measure the wig. We're gonna put the wig on, and baby, we're gonna be slaying. Either way, this wig is gonna come out good. But right from here, I just know my camera is gonna be acting up today. So if I don't show the end of this video, forgive me. But yeah, this hair is giving, okay? It's giving, and review this is gonna be coming up very soon about that here, so stay tuned for that. And I'm just measuring it, cutting off. I'm gonna be cutting off the SS product from the ear, measuring it to measure this wig fit my hair, because baby, we're gonna be looking like a Puerto Rican girl today, okay? That's what we're gonna be doing, you feel me? So I'm just putting the same glues I'm using, and that glue is from Brenda. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna tell you, like, this glue is so good, but I'm gonna give you more information in the front. Right now, let's just focus on slaying this way, cause you see the way I'm serious. That's how you know I'm about to slay this way, okay? Even those I can't. Even though I look very serious and it look like I'm struggling, I am struggling, but this way is gonna come out good. So don't hesitate to subscribe. Go ahead, subscribe. Trust the process, okay? Yeah, let me just let you just watch this video. You know, the thing that is gonna be your friend in doing installations is hot comb, okay? Hot comb and a tweezer and a meltdown spray. You need 3 of those products to get a flawless finish. It doesn't really matter if your wigs is not bleached well. Once you have a hot comb and a meltdown spray, you good to go, okay? You good to go. As you can see, this wig was not bleached. The lace is very rough. It's very hard to work with this lace. It's not an HD lace. It doesn't melt easily. It would just give me too much work, so I had to do what I had to do, and the hot comb just literally came through, y'all. This hot comb is my best friend. So if you want to like one for your hair to slay, definitely get you a hot comb from Amazon. Very cheap, like 19 something, 19.99, 19.50, I don't know, but it's about $20. So just go get you one, and then get a nice tweezer and just tweet. Like, don't be afraid to pluck this out. Pluck it out, baby. Pluck it out and hot comb, because if you want to get that flawless hairline, you want to be able to plug this hair out. So just do what you gotta do, and then use a blade or something like that for edges, I don't know, and cut the lace. Because if you do use a scissor to cut the lace, baby, it's not gonna look good. It's gonna be bad. So just don't do it, okay? Don't do it. You know what, actually, I'm gonna let you just watch this, cause I'm tired talking.
Bang, bang, choo choo train. Let me see you do your thing. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bang, bang, choo choo train. Let's get this party started.
so my camera died and I just was recording, but it wasn't recording. So annoying. But all I'm doing is literally I take like a half an inch of hair from in the hair. I'm gonna be using that as an edges, and I'm just literally hot combing the hair, making sure it's flat. It is literally melting into my skin. I'm gonna be using a mousse and a styling gel, eco styling gel, to just literally lay my edges down. And after that, I'm gonna be tying it up with a cloth and then do my makeup and like just show you the final result. That's literally all I'm doing. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna be using like a 1 inch iron. Was it curling iron? It's not a curling, a flat iron, to just curl other edges and just lay it down. That helped with the edges laying down. That's why I use that. And after that, I'm just gonna tie up my hair nicely. I'm talking because my friend came to visit me. We're just talking about life. We're about to like graduate and we're really excited. We're talking about that. But yeah, this is the final result, y'all. Tired, stay for 30 minutes, took it out, and like, girl, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna fix the in front of my hair a little bit, but before that, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and boom, let me show you the final result, y'all. Baby.
Let me see you do your thing.